there, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things travel, tips, and tricks to make your journey smoother and more affordable. Listen, we all gotta travel, right? Whether it's for a business meeting, a family reunion, or just to explore new places and cultures. Whether it's for work, family, or just to get away and chase some adventure, traveling is a part of life that we all look forward to. But let's be real, the price of flights these days? It's like they want us to break the bank just to get from point A to point B. It's enough to make you want to just stay home and cancel all those exciting plans you had. But hold up, don't cancel those plans just yet. There's hope, and I'm here to share it with you. I'm here to drop some serious knowledge bombs on ya. We're talking about tips and tricks that can save you hundreds, if not thousands, on your next flight. In this video, I'm going to break down my top 10 battle-tested strategies to find insanely cheap flights. These are tips I've personally used and swear by. We're talking about the kind of deals that'll have you booking your next trip before this video even ends. Imagine flying to your dream destination for a fraction of the cost. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to become a master of finding affordable flights. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at scoring the best deals out there. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with a fundamental truth. Flexibility is your best friend when it comes to cheap flights. The more flexible you are with your travel dates, the more likely you are to snag a great deal. It's all about playing the game smartly. See, airlines use these things called algorithms, right? These algorithms are designed to maximize their profits by adjusting prices based on demand and other factors. They're like these little robots in the internet figuring out how much to charge for a seat. They analyze tons of data, from booking patterns to seasonal trends, and even your browsing history. And guess what? They know we're all creatures of habit, always trying to fly out on Fridays and back on Sundays. These are peak travel days, and the algorithms know it, so they jack up the prices. It's simple supply and demand. More people want to fly on weekends, so prices go up. But here's the hack: be different. Fly midweek like a Tuesday or Wednesday. These days are less popular, so the demand is lower, and so are the prices. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save just by shifting your travel dates by a couple of days. Sometimes the savings can be hundreds of dollars. Trust me, that beach in Bali or that city you've always dreamed of visiting, they'll still be there, no matter what day you arrive. They'll be there waiting for you, and your wallet will thank you for it. Plus, traveling on less busy days can mean a more relaxed and enjoyable experience. Fewer crowds, shorter lines, and a smoother journey overall. So next time you're planning a trip, remember, dates are key. Be flexible, think outside the box, and you might just find yourself on the vacation of your dreams without breaking the bank. Happy travels, and may your adventures be as affordable as they are unforgettable. Look, I get it. Searching for flights can feel like you're stuck in this endless maze of websites and pop-up ads. It's overwhelming. But fear not, my travel warriors, because technology is on our side. There are these amazing tools out there like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Kayak. These bad boys are like the Google search engine for flights. You plug in your dates and destination, and boom! They scan hundreds of airlines in seconds to find you the best possible price. Don't be that person who books the first flight they see. Use these tools, compare your options, and watch the savings roll in. Ever feel like you're always just missing out on those crazy flight deals? Like, you check the price one day and it's sky high, but then you hear someone got it for half the price? Ugh, the worst. But guess what? There's a solution for that. Price alerts. Apps like Hopper and Airfare Watchdog are about to become your new best friends. You tell them where you want to go and when, and they'll send you a notification the second the price drops. It's like having your own personal travel agent working for you 24/7. No more FOMO, just cheap flights delivered straight to your phone. Okay, this next hack is all about being a little bit sneaky, a little bit strategic. Sometimes the biggest airports aren't always the cheapest. Those airlines know everyone wants to fly direct to the most popular spots, so they charge a premium for it. But here's the thing, Smaller airports, even ones that are just a short drive or train ride away from your final destination, often have way cheaper flights. This means you can save a significant amount of money just by being a bit flexible with your travel plans. So instead of flying directly into London Heathrow, why not check out flights to Gatwick or Stansted? These airports are still well connected to the city and can offer a more relaxed travel experience. You might be surprised at how much you can save, and those savings can be used for other parts of your trip, like dining, shopping, or even extending your stay. And hey, you might even discover a cool new place along the way. Smaller airports often serve charming towns and cities that are worth exploring. Imagine sipping coffee in a quaint cafe or strolling through picturesque streets you might have otherwise missed. Plus, these smaller destinations can offer unique experiences and local flavors that you won't find in the big cities. You might even get a chance to meet locals and participate in cultural events or festivals, making your trip even more memorable. So next time you're planning a trip, think about going nearby. It could be the key to a more affordable and enriching travel experience. All right, I know what you're thinking. Budget airlines? Are those even safe? Do they even have seats? Listen, I hear you. Budget airlines get a bad rap sometimes, but honestly, they can be a total game changer for your wallet. Airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, Southwest, they're all about getting you from point A to point B for as little money as possible. Just be aware they often have extra fees for things like checked bags or seat selection. But here's the pro tip pack light. Rock that backpack life, and you'll be golden. Plus, think of all the money you'll save to spend on amazing food and experiences at your destination. All right, let's talk about timing. Booking your flights at the right time can be the difference between scoring a sweet deal and, well, paying way more than you need to. Here's the general rule of thumb. For domestic flights, aim to book 1 to 3 months in advance. For international flights, you'll want to give yourself a bit more time, like 3 to 6 months. Now, I know life gets busy, and sometimes you just gotta book a last-minute trip. But trust me, if you can plan ahead, even just a little bit, it can save you a ton of cash. Incognito mode. Outsmart the system. Ever feel like the internet is watching you? Like, you search for a flight once and suddenly the price seems to go up every time you check back? Yeah, that's not your imagination. Airlines use these things called cookies to track your browsing history, and they can use that information to adjust prices. But don't worry, we can outsmart them. Next time you're searching for flights, switch to incognito mode on your browser or clear your cookies. It's like starting with a clean slate, so those airlines won't know you're looking for that same flight and jack up the price. I know, another newsletter? But hear me out on this one. Signing up for airline newsletters might seem like just another way to clutter your inbox, but trust me, it can be a goldmine for finding amazing flight deals. Airlines often send out exclusive discounts and flash sales to their subscribers first. So, by taking 2 seconds to sign up, you're basically getting early access to the best deals. Plus, it's a great way to stay in the loop about new routes, special promotions, and all that good stuff. All right, let's talk about travel rewards, baby. If you're not using frequent flyer miles and credit card points to score free or discounted flights, you're seriously missing out. Seriously, this is like free money, people. Get yourself a good travel rewards credit card and use it for everything. Groceries, gas, bills, you name it. You'll rack up points like crazy, and then you can redeem those points for flights, hotels, upgrades, all sorts of travel goodies. Last but not least, let's talk about peak travel seasons. We all know what happens when everyone wants to travel at the same time. Prices skyrocket. But here's the thing. If you're willing to be a little flexible with your travel dates, you can avoid those peak season price hikes and save a ton of money. Instead of traveling during the holidays or school vacations, consider going during the off-season. Think late January, early September, or even shoulder season. Those magical weeks just before or after the peak season when the weather's still great, but the crowds are smaller. And there you have it, my friends. 10 tried and true strategies to find affordable flights every single time. Remember, finding cheap flights doesn't have to be a stressful, hair-pulling experience. With a little bit of planning, a dash of flexibility, and a whole lot of these awesome tips, you'll be jet-setting around the world without breaking the bank. Now go forth, my travel warriors, and book those dream trips. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below letting me know which of these tips you're most excited to try out. Safe travels, everyone!